Is Thailand the best place to retire? Welcome back to Camnob Travel Channel. I hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to speak about retirement in Thailand. At the end of the video, you will learn about benefits and drawbacks of retirement in Thailand. Before we begin, please subscribe and hit that bell button so that you will be notified on any new video we published here. Alright, let's begin. With its warm and tropical climate, affordable cost of living, and mind-blowing landscapes, it is quite easy to see why Thailand is one of the most popular retirement destinations across the globe. Thailand is actually among the top 10 countries to retire abroad according to International Living's annual Global Retirement Index. So, after you have worked hard, and are finally ready to enjoy your retirement, you should consider moving to Thailand. And here's why. Number 10. Benefits of retirement in Thailand, many housing options. Whether in big cities or small town, you will find a wide range of housing options in Thailand. From traditional houses to modern villas or lofts or condos, finding accommodation that suits your preferences is not hard at all. When compared to other countries in the region, accommodation in major cities can be a little expensive. Still, it is not that much when you compare it to the US. If you don't speak Thai, the local language, finding affordable accommodation can become more challenging. To avoid this, you should consider hiring the services of a local, who can help you bargain and get the best offer. Number 9. Benefits of retirement in Thailand, lifestyle and culture. Thailand is a very popular tourist destination. Over the last couple of decades, it has drawn a lot of expats from around the world. Therefore, if you choose to retire in Thailand, it is easy to find other English-speaking people, and you get to meet new and exciting people as well. Though most people in the urban areas of Thailand can speak a little English, they are not very good at it. The language barrier in Thailand largely depends on your location. In major cities like Bangkok and Phuket, it can be easy to communicate. However, in other, smaller towns, the language barrier can cause problems. Thailand has an amazing culture. If you move there, you will get an opportunity to enjoy some of the liveliest cultural festivals in the world. Every year, thousands of tourists from all over the world come to Thailand to take part in unique festivals and ceremonies that the country has to offer. You should not miss out on Loi Krathong and Songkran, which are two of Thailand's most spectacular local festivals. Number 8. Benefits of retirement in Thailand, weather. Summers in the tropical paradise of Thailand can be exceptional. The ocean is beautiful and warm, and the sun shines bright all day, making the perfect environment for some exciting activities. The summers are also the peak tourist season in Thailand, therefore, most beaches and sites are crowded. Though the summers are incredible in Thailand, the weather can easily go to its extremes and rainy days are normal. The rainy season, often starting around the end of April, can last for a long time and make it very difficult to plan any activities. Number 7. Benefits of retirement in Thailand, healthcare. Healthcare in Thailand is quite impressive. Though it probably is not as good as in the US, people from many neighboring countries travel to Thailand for medical treatments. Furthermore, if you have a work permit in Thailand, and you pay Social Security, you can get free healthcare in public hospitals. Though the public hospitals are very affordable, they are usually understaffed and lack resources. However, in the private sector, there are many reliable hospitals, especially in the main cities of Thailand. There are several pharmacies in the major cities of Thailand where you can easily find any medications that you are on, which makes retiring in Thailand much easier. Number 6. Benefits of retirement in Thailand, cost of living. The cost of living in Thailand is reasonable. Thai food, groceries, petrol, and other general items are quite inexpensive. It is very easy to live a simple yet comfortable life in Thailand on a low budget. Though local items are very affordable, imported goods can be expensive. However, you shouldn't be drinking too much either when you are retired and in your golden years. Number 5. How much do I need per month to retire in Thailand? Retiring in Thailand is quite affordable, and depending on your lifestyle, your monthly budget can vary quite significantly. Most locals in Thailand can live on less than $1,000 a month. Though it is possible, it obviously is not going to be an easy lifestyle. For a person who is retiring to Thailand, I would suggest a minimum budget of $1,700 per month. If you are living in the northern part of Thailand, away from the major cities, $1,700 can get you and your significant other a comfortable lifestyle. However, if you choose to live in the more popular and tourist-friendly locations like Phuket, Koh Samui, or Pattaya, you need to have a minimum budget of $2,200 per month. This budget can help you rent a 2-bedroom apartment, eat out a couple of times a week, buy groceries for the month, have your necessary medical visits, pay utilities, and even maintain a small vehicle. Now, if you want to live a lavish life in Thailand, you should have a budget of about $5,000 a month. This kind of budget allows a couple to eat out regularly, travel, live in a beachfront condo, get the best medical attention, and even hire a maid to help you clean up. All these estimates are based on the assumption that you are renting your accommodation. However, if you own your home, living in Thailand can be even more affordable. Number 4. Best place to retire in Thailand. Over the years, Thailand has become one of the most popular retirement destinations in the world. However, when it comes to the best place to retire in Thailand, there isn't a single one. Here is a list of 4 best retirement destinations in Thailand. Chiang Mai. If you are looking for someplace calm and cultured, Chiang Mai is one of the best retirement destinations in Thailand. Chiang Mai is one of the most cultured cities in Thailand, with its history dating back more than 700 years. Chiang Mai is one of the more affordable destinations in Thailand. You can easily find a variety of apartments, condos, and villas here, which are considerably more affordable than in other parts of Thailand. Furthermore, it is easy to find all modern amenities in Chiang Mai. There are several incredible restaurants, movie theaters, markets, and malls in the city, and it even has a JCI-accredited hospital. Chiang Mai also has the most stunning countryside surroundings in Thailand, which is great if you are an outdoorsy person. Phuket. Phuket is the biggest island and one of the most popular retirement destinations in Thailand. This incredible island is surrounded by calm turquoise waters, sandy beaches, and lush green, jungle-topped mountains. In Phuket, you can get the best of both worlds. It has breathtaking natural sceneries, and the city also has a lot to offer. Besides that, Phuket also has some of the best healthcare facilities in Thailand. Hua Hin. Hua Hin is a coastal fishing village located in the south of Bangkok. It used to be one of the most favorite hunting destinations for the Thai royal family, and now, many people from Bangkok, and other major cities of Thailand, visit Hua Hin on their vacations. Apart from the exceptional natural beauty, Hua Hin has all the amenities you need. From exciting bars, shopping malls, Western-style restaurants, and some of the best golf courses in Thailand. Furthermore, Hua Hin isn't as crowded as some of the other holiday destinations like Phuket and Pattaya, so it is easy to find some much-needed peace and relaxation. Koh Samui. Koh Samui is known as the best retirement destination in Thailand. It offers the perfect laid-back and beach lifestyle that many retirees want. That, combined with the super affordable living costs, makes Koh Samui one of the most sought-after retirement destinations in the world. As far as healthcare is concerned, there are some reliable facilities in Koh Samui. However, for more serious treatments, you can always travel to Bangkok, which is only a 30-minute flight away. Number 3. Eldercare for retirees in Thailand. When choosing a retirement destination, one of the most important things to consider is healthcare. As we get older, medical attention becomes more and more important, and you cannot retire to a country where you will not be able to get the medical resources that your body needs. As far as health care and eldercare are concerned, Thailand is significantly better than many of its neighboring Southeast Asian countries. Though it might not be as good as the US, or some European countries, you can still get any kind of treatment your body needs. The public sector hospitals can be crowded and understaffed, especially in major cities. However, there are several incredible private hospitals and clinics in cities like Bangkok and Phuket, which offer high-end medical treatment. It is also easy to get your medications in Thailand, as there are many pharmacies where you can even get your Western medical prescriptions refilled. Number 2. What are the requirements to retire in Thailand? Citizens of the US and most European countries don't need a visa to visit Thailand. You just need to have a valid passport and a return trip scheduled before you enter the country. However, if you intend to extend your visit and retire in Thailand indefinitely, you will need to apply for a retirement visa, which is also known as a non-immigrant long-stay visa. You can go to Thailand on a visit and apply for a retirement visa from there, or you can also apply from the Thai consulate in your country. Here is a list of requirements that you need to satisfy to apply for a retirement visa in Thailand. Filled circle: you have to be at least 50 years old. Filled circle: you need to pass a criminal background check. Filled circle: you need a valid passport that doesn't expire for at least 1 year. Filled circle: you need to have at least 800,000 baht, around $26,200 in a Thai bank account, or a monthly income of at least 65,000 baht, around $2,100. Remember to check description in this video to read full detail of retirement visa requirement for Thailand. Number 1. How easy is it to retire in Thailand? Thailand is an incredible destination to retire to. The landscape is incredible, the cost of living is low, there are reliable medical facilities, the people are amazing, and there are loads of incredible activities to pass your post-retirement time. Furthermore, retiring to Thailand is quite easy, especially for people from the US. The application process is quite easy and straightforward, and you can have everything sorted out in a couple of months. We have arrived at the end of this video on retirement in Thailand. If you would like more video like this, remember to hit subscribe the button and hit that bell button so that you will not miss any of the video we publish in Cam Knob Travel channel. I'll see you in another video shortly.